This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have VS Code and an HTML file. Start now. Open the project folder so VS Code manages file paths. Next, install the live server extension because it provides the only in-editor preview method I recommend. It launches a local server and serves HTML with live reload. Once installed, make sure the extension is enabled. Then, right-click your HTML file in Explorer and choose Open with Live Server to immediately start the preview in your browser. Once done, Visual Studio Code launches your default browser to a local address like 127.0.0.1.5500. That URL is the live preview. Make sure to use developer tools in the browser to inspect elements, view console logs, and debug JS. The live server simply serves files, it does not rewrite code. Save changes in VS Code and the page reloads automatically so you can iterate quickly. If you need a different port or route, change live server settings in the extension. To finish, stop live server from the status bar or via the command palette when you're done. That closes the local server. If the preview fails to load, make sure no firewall or other app is blocking the chosen port, and verify the HTML file is inside the open folder. Relative paths matter. If problems persist, open the live server output and VS Code developer tools for error messages. Troubleshoot by changing the port or restarting VS Code. That resolves most conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.